YouTube, what's going on, man? Today I'm gonna be showing y'all exactly how I made $1,200 trading options. Damn, y'all probably like I'm disgusting, but now look, for real though, I really did make like $1,200. It was options and futures. I did a little bit of both. I'm really testing something right now. I got a challenge for y'all to see who can pass an account first, or who can build a live account to like 1,000 or 10x it first. We gonna see, but I want to do some type of challenge, a giveaway. Whoever do it, I might give them a free account or some shit. Who knows? I don't know. We're just having fun for real, man. It's my life. Hey, bro. It's the world and your life is exactly how you want to make it. So, nigga, I can give y'all an account away and just give y'all. You feel me? Just spend the money if I want to. Fuck it. You feel me? But no, though, I'm finna be showing y'all exactly how I made $1,200 from trading. Simple setup. I broke it down in my Discord. Comment trade in the comments if y'all want me to send y'all exactly how I did it. Do I look bright as hell, y'all? Hold on. I feel like I look like I'm shining a little too much. But I'm gonna show y'all exactly how I did it in just a second. Let me pull up my screen recording right quick, man. I'm finna give y'all some free game, man. Okay. So, and I got some notes right here on my phone as well. I do gotta leave for work soon, so I'm gonna keep it real quick, real simple for y'all, no bullshit. Y'all see the Santa vibe. I'm doing this the whole, hey, fuck it. We doing a vlogmas for trading, dog. A vlogmas for trading, for real. So I'm not finna edit too much. I'm not gonna add too many cuts, because I really don't give a damn to it. If y'all watch my past videos when I used to troll people, I still do it. But I used to add a little bit of edits, but not for real. I just cut once it, you feel me? So I'm gonna keep it the same vibe, for real, for real. Let me pull up my notes for y'all, even on my phone finna die, man. We finna keep it real smooth, for real. Technical analysis channel. Hey, Pete, in my technical analysis channel, I literally gave a full breakdown, screenshots, the wordplay behind it, notifications about my swings going off and all type of shit, man. Life is lovely. So cool. First things first, man, as y'all can see here, bro, we gonna start off right here. So when I zoom out, as you can see, the past couple of days, right, from here, and let me remove some of this. Well, actually, I need that because I gotta show y'all some stuff, bro. This is my chart that I've been using pretty much the whole week. I refresh it, I delete some of the stuff, and I add it back. Like, I really be going over the chart a couple times just to make sure I'm getting the same analysis at each time. Or if I see something different, I keep it simple, but every now and then the market get tricky. We in earnings season, we buy all-time highs. There's a lot going on, especially with spot, volatile as hell. And you feel me? So, the last few days, as you can see, price just been up, down, up, down, up, down, right? We've been in this little zone of consolidation, and this is really part 2 to me trading, showing y'all how to trade. So my first video was support and resistance, so I'm building on top of it now. Rock with me now. So support and resistance, we between this zone right here, support, bounced off the floor, went up to the ceiling, and we rejected each time. Now, finally, we broke through that hole. But I told y'all about the fake out, so this could have been more of a fake out. Once we got to this next level, we rejected off. And if you scroll back some, you will see that that level, it rejected off. Because look, it rejected here, right? I'm going to go to a higher time frame to make it a little easier for y'all to see. It rejected around here. And it gave, let me see. I gotta go to the hourly for y'all, fuck it. Frag it. I don't mean to curse so much, my bad, y'all. I'm just excited for a great day. And also, I just miss y'all boys, man. I miss posting for y'all. So we rejected. We got to this level and price came back down, right? But if you go back, you can see price rejected off this level as well. So my first analysis, right? If I'm in the hourly, I already got my support and resistance levels marked. I know that it rejected here. It broke up. When it came back down, we stayed on this level. We rejected here. We rejected here. And we rejected here. Cool. And let me highlight it for y'all, because I know some of y'all just want me to show y'all a little bit more to really hang y'all, you feel me? Rejected here. Rejected here. Cool. We keeping it simple, for real. And then as you can see, this wick here, we rejected here. It's highlighted as well, but on a smaller time frame, because for a day trade, you'll want to highlight on a smaller time frame. You really don't give a damn to see, you feel me? So, cool. We've been rejecting this level for a while. Now in pre-market, as you can see, we're in the hourly, but I have it on the ETH. So this is regular trading hours. We'll only show you a little bit, but this show you overnight in the different sessions as well. So you got Asian session, London session, pre-market, post-market, all that, right? Cool. So in pre-market, price went all the way up here, But when it got out there, it rejected. Now let me show y'all something. It's something I showed y'all in my last video, bro. It's the money was free yesterday, bro. The money was free, man. Nigga, my girl passed her live account. My girl passed her account yesterday and got funded, nigga. Like this, it was free. And she would even use the same setups I use, the same analysis, and still got it. I'm finna start yelling at y'all for real. But PA, man. So also, after it reject at this level, you see price slowing down, right? So we know we got 3 confluences already. We know support and resistance. I showed y'all in the last video. When it reject, more than likely it's gonna come down, right? Because it hit their head on the ceiling, it gotta come down. It got momentum to come down because you done hit this hole so many times. Now, secondly, we getting a lot of volume once it get around this level because we had a long move up. And usually when you get the long moves up, on the 15, it's gonna look like a big candle up, right? An extended candle is what we call them. An extended candle. What happened when it's an extended candle? We retrace, we come back down. When price go up too high without any type of selling, it's an imbalance in the market, and they can't allow that because if so, everybody just invest, and the market go up forever. We all be rich. You know they can't allow that. So what they do? They gonna bring price back down, and every time, let me show you another example right here. Extended candle, we got big candle up, big candle down. Let me show you this one. Big candle up, big candle down, big candle down, big candle up. Market usually balances itself out. It's never just gonna go one way forever. It's gonna be a breather or some type of pullback, some type of retrace. Look though, so every time you get them extended candles, you're gonna see a retracement. Long story short, just keep that in mind. We're gonna keep it simple, we're gonna keep it smooth, we're gonna just keep going forward. So when price got here, not only did they create this long move up, that's the imbalance in the market. How you just gonna go straight up like that, handing out money? You know we're gonna take that back. So what the market did, came right back down, right? Keep that in mind. So we know it rejected off the resistance, right? It went up, fell down. 2, it didn't hit that level 3 times, giving it a lot of momentum. So every time it came up, it didn't reject it. We know that this next fall gonna be a big fall, right? On top of that, it created an imbalance in the market. Some people say it's a fair value gap from like here to here, so they got to come back down here and squeeze liquidity. It's all type of sayings. I'm familiar with it, but I'm just trying to keep it simple because it's a beginner's course, man. Now, if you advanced as hell, leave. So, but now look, so we got that extended candle, right? And I really studied this trade so much for y'all, bro, just to keep it simple and break it down. So we got that extended candle. Now, after we broke this level, right? Peak game. This was the old resistance, but it broke the level, and what it did, it rejected off of it and stayed above. So now we got a new support and resistance level. That old ceiling is now on the floor. Now we got a new ceiling, but it rejected off the ceiling, right? Now also, when it did that, guess what it did? Some people say this is an order blow. I like to call it the 3-tap rejection, where price go to the same exact, literally the same cent, bro. The same exact level, 685.37, where you can see it's highlighted. And it literally, it got there, it stopped. And so look, from, this was the 1 minute candle. So price came up, got to the level, it stopped. Another candle started, and it went straight down. It came back up one more time, that hole went straight down again. And then after that, we sold off. So we had 4 confluences. I don't even know. I'm giving y'all so many different ways to look at this whole, man. So look, price was getting too high. This was near all-time highs. I think all-time highs was like 690 something. You know, once it's around all-time highs, usually when prices get up there, it starts to struggle a little bit. It's all-time highs for a reason. It only got there once ever, and it couldn't really maintain that level, so it fell down. So more than likely, once we get there again, it probably ain't gonna be prepared. It might take a couple months for it to break that level for real, for real. So we getting there all-time highs. People starting to say, nah, this stock costs a little too much, or it's not worth it to invest here because it's getting too expensive. I'd rather get it at a cheaper price. So some people pulling out profits. This is the psychology behind it. Some people pulling profits. Some people just saying, nah, it costs too much, so I'm gonna sell once to get here. That's adding more weight. Some people had buy orders thinking it was gonna go up to the top because we're getting there all-time highs and it's gonna go super high. So they buying in, and the market makers, they gonna go up, fill those orders, which you can see come here. They came here, filled some orders, and came right back down. So that's also the liquidity sweep, liquidity grabs that some people talk about. Like I said, I try not to get in too much of that, but I do understand it. So I know what's going on, but it's so many ways to look at it. But keep all that in mind. That's just even more confirmation that price finna come down, right? Keep it simple with me, man. The more, it's like saying, if you see a green car, green grass, and they got a greenhouse, you could probably guess that they like the color green for the most part. Now, if they don't, maybe they just a little weird like me. Some of this shit that's in my crib just random as hell. I'm gonna be real. Green not my favorite color, but low-key I do like green. If you give me something that's green, then I'm gonna be like, I fuck with you, boy. You feel me? So, or right, red, for example. I really don't like red. I'm gonna be real. I really don't like red. But it do look good on the nigga right now. Ho, ho, ho. Come learn how to ho, ho, ho. Come learn how to ho, ho, ho. How to trade. It was a caption I had in mind for y'all. That shit was weak, though. I ain't gonna do that again. My fault. But yeah, man, we got this 3-tap rejection. They rejected off the resistance, and then we came up to this level again. We started to see a weakness in buyers, so sellers overwhelmed them and basically pushed price down. Now, the next confirmation is here. Next confirmation is here. When price started to come down, we had a smooth trend line all the way down. And some people might not draw like that. You could draw it from here to here and just kind of squeeze a little bit to kind of make sure you don't get stopped out. From here to here, price literally rejected off this line, because I told y'all about diagonal resistance support. It rejected off of this line multiple times, showing that it's really no strength in the buyers. And even on this pullback, right, it rejected off this same line at this same angle, and what it did, it rejected here again. Now finally, once it broke up, it broke this trend line, price usually reverse here. And as you can see, price started to go sideways and consolidated. Eventually went back down, but for the most part, consolidated. If you trade options, Greeks would have fucked you up. So you don't want to be in none of that shit. I just showed y'all. But this move here, easy grab. And then another thing, once price did break that level on top of the minus the trend line, right? It tried to come up one more time and it rejected again. Now I wouldn't call this a 2-tap, but one thing I really want y'all to look out for is these rejections like this. When you see price come to the same exact penny and it's really not budging, like they not letting up, them niggas is really on their ass, like they really walking them down. How it says not saying, I walk down. Like, you really gotta look out for that. Now here, you got this support here where price was rejecting, but with the confluences we had before, you would understand like, okay, this could just be a fake out, or of course there's some buyers in still, they could be sweeping them out. Not only that, bro, you don't have to get in this soon. You could wait for after this rejection. Like, say you see this and get a little scared, like, damn, that's a 3-tap on the bottom. But there's really not no down level either, though. So you gotta keep in mind the market moving off supply and demand, support and resistance, all of the above. This really ain't no level. It just happened to stop here. Now we got some sellers here, but if price stop it here where sellers are at, wouldn't it just come back down anyway? Because when price got here in pre-market, what it did, it sold back down. So with it coming here and it rejecting off of it, more than likely price is gonna get sucked into the liquidity, or they aiming for the liquidity, because you know they say a lot of the market makers, they like to go to liquidity, so they don't give a damn about nothing up here. Ain't nothing up here left anyway, is what I'm saying. So like, it's so many different reasons why price to go down, bro. But let's say you want to wait here, because it's the first 3 minutes, the market still fake you out. You want to wait for what the market gonna give. So we got this 3-tap rejection here. It failed at the level. You probably got indicators like MACD at 50 SMAs, all type of shit, right? But for me, I really don't give a damn about all the extra indicators. I use them, but I look at volume heavily. We got crazy volume on this candle down right here. We got volume coming down with this candle here validating the price action. If this was a fair value gap, it went up inside here and broke back down below. So you could have waited for this retest of the fair value gap. On the, this is probably like the 3 minute or 5 minute where it probably look like a fair value gap. But y'all get what I'm saying though, like, it's, man, I'm talking faster. Like I said, I gotta go to work soon, but I just really want y'all to take this information, man. We rejected off here, came back down, retested up, and by this point you should be able to say like, okay, it cleared the fair value gap, grab whatever liquidity might be left in here, whatever imbalances in the market, it went up in there, sold off, came back down, it broke this heavy resistance. This is the resistance that bounced off of all day, back to support a resistance. Once we break a heavy level, we know we could get in at this point. So it broke the level, went back down, and came up, retraced a little bit, sold off some more, hella sellers stepped in, came back down another $2. So we had literally from 685 to 682, a full $1.5 move. That's like 200 something percent. Now, keep in mind, that's this crazy level to break. Just to give you a little bit of background on the trade I got in today. It finally did break this level, and then it did break the other level that we couldn't break at all. And you know what we say, when it break a crazy level, it's going through the roof. If it break a level down, it's going to hell. I'm gonna start using that, that's bad. But we rejected off this level multiple times. We finally did break through, but that's more of an extended candle. It's really no buyers here, it's just an imbalance. And what we do with imbalanced candles, what I'm gonna show y'all, right? When it's a long extended candle, it's an imbalance, the market gonna go back up. Now what we did, we broke this level that it was just struggling at for the past couple of days. It struggled at this level, finally broke it, and then once it broke it, it wasn't enough buyers to keep the market going up, so they sold off, left an imbalance in the market, so we retraced back up. The same thing as the day before, literally, just the day before. The next day, it did the same shit. It broke the level, went up, it cleared the imbalance in market, it gave the market some balance after that, and then we broke this level, went through the roof, and then we got to another hourly rejection zone. And if you go back, it's like hella far, I ain't gonna lie. If you go back, it was hella sellers here, so price rejected off of that level, literally went to both of my TPs, and then came back down to where the fuck we started at. And more than likely, if we get another big ass candle like this one, I'm not gonna say this one, but with us breaking this heavy ass level, price probably gonna go back up. So the next couple of days, next week maybe, we probably gonna get some all-time highs again. But yeah, man, the same analogy for real. Extended candle, get to a heavy level, we gotta fix that balance. Extended candle, heavy level, sell off. Plus with it being an extended candle, that's an imbalance, so we gonna fix that balance up, and then we gonna go down to the level where price consolidated previously. And then the next day, extended candle, that's an imbalance, so we're gonna fix that. We got some balance now after we retraced back up, and then we broke a heavy level, so we're gonna keep going up, and then we're gonna go back to another consolidation zone, which is what I just showed y'all. Hold on, here, consolidation, hella sellers here, ain't really no buying pressure up there, ain't no liquidity up there, so they're gonna grab whatever they can, come back down, sell back off. Extended candle again, go back up. Glass. Nah, for real though, I just broke it down for y'all, made it super simple. Extended candle, support or resistance, imbalance in the market. I don't care for liquidity, but that's what they call it. I just don't like to sound like every day on YouTube on here, but that kind of is what it is, I ain't gonna lie. And then market psychology, just have some discipline, some patience. Like if you know it's an extended candle, don't try and get in on a move and get the last little dollar. Just wait for it to retrace back down, which is done every single time we got a big ass candle. Big candle up, big candle up, big candle down, big candle up, big candle down, big candle down, hella candles up. Big candle up, ain't retraced yet, but it did clear the fair value gap here. That's what this was right here. Boom. Big candle down, holy damn. Big candles up. It's repeating everywhere. It's damn near that simple. It's a few other things to keep in mind, like patience and discipline, but for the most part, it's right here in y'all face. And I just laid it out for you, and you probably like, oh damn, I ain't even noticed that. Or if you didn't know at all, bro, like I'm putting it in your face. Now it's a few other things that may tie into it. Trump might speak and say something hell, cause crazy moves, but even here, bro, let's mark this level here. If I scroll back, I can guarantee you this is just another zone where it consolidated. Like I said, price go to liquidity consolidation zones. It's a lot of money there. So we scroll back, we got some consolidation here, a little bit here, but we go back a little more. Okay, cool, some consolidation here. This is on the 15. So you know, if we go, ooh, especially here and here. If we go on like the 5 minute or the 1 minute, you know price is up and down. Let me see. We get 679. Hope I ain't talking too fast. I probably am. Consolidation crazy. Let me see. Consolidation again. Price just go back to the same levels. Like you break the level, more than likely it's gonna come back down to retest this. It tried to, failed there, tried to again, so it's probably gonna break through later on. Let me see. It broke through, come back up, retest, retest, retest. It just go back to zones that it's been at before. The market is literally just repeating itself. Now there's more to it, but that was just showing y'all how I made $200, bro. I seen the imbalance in the market. I knew it was getting near resistance. We rejected out the resistance. We corrected the imbalance. And shit, we got 3 tap rejections showing the order block there above that level, or that it was a lot of sellers there and we're not allowing price to go up anymore. I kept it simple, got in a trade, made $1,200. I'll show y'all here. And Merry Christmas. Sorry. But nah, for real, I'm going, man. It's 12:30. I gotta get to work. This is getting a little late, man. I love y'all. Let's get this money, man. If y'all got any more questions, comment trade. I'm gonna add y'all to my Discord. I'm sending links personally, and I give one-on-ones, talks, whatever you need, bro. Just let me know, man. Let's get this money. No cap. We going, man.